We say my mama akwa baba Ghana Sem TVGH. So pacho now liking, now commenting, subscribing, and share content no so my. We say for Ghana for omu bad rough Ghana for. Hey, asem we and see and me name say Ghana for no. We ye omu adia. Omu they don't forget to. We ye Ghana ni adia na and I say we bibi na waye din and kyerɛ sɛ odi akyɛw and I say as an irrefi there be a train opportunity out or asema I see plane ya go crash here na enyina I say we are sad, we are all mourning no Thursday be twem na was Thursday de na asem na shock enyina second day so ase Ghana for go for be din but third day we no comment aye tete no enya easy post video bi e wa here YouTube so na mama bi be comment here say Asiedu Nketiah general mosquito NDC for chairman no ono na odi san nipa say Dr. Omane boama any others no edi aye sacrifice na yes na aye rumor so but you see na him say anka NDC hierarchy mu and according to a lot of discussions and speaking with some people in the NDC no Dr. Omane boama ankasa especially go bebre consider no as presidential material. Okay, and now nko obi bia wo NDC mu bia no nim say at some point in time Dr. Omane boama will be the one I'll be here Flagbearer Emma NDC. Now people even were thinking between say ebe Dr. Omane boama na say ebe Samuel Okujeto. But because a black word here nsembe bre a oka ye bra no more opposition mu omo feel say ebia omo dia black akwa on ni chances ebe very very low until Omane boama na ye the right candidate for NDC but ye nim so say ye chairman our general mosquito ono so opesa obedi omampani and the by now the open secret ma obia onim politics mu sensem bia we all know say general mosquito our chairman Asiedu Nketiah is lacing his boot to contest as flag bearer of the NDC. In fact, why was that say grand swag na nyene and I go focus say Asiedu Nketiah pesa obeye omampani and na on the musu say ebia 2028 election no obe lose na or lose say obeye a flag bearer no lose na ba omia wini a den ba omia be for 8 years. By the time ba omia be win 8 years odi sa years no ebeka Asiedu Nketiah age no ho a ebe like he will be very very old. Now if he's going to be very very older, one of the people who will be young then, who will be younger then, who might give him a run for his money, a call internal contest to be flag bearer again, Dr. Omane boama. And he say, "Koba say, nipa anka se otia se no, onu na obema Asiedu Nketiah a run for his money." Dr. Omane boama say, "Ah, ni si no so biom de." E kire say, allegedly no chairman Asiedu Nketiah the general mosquito no ninsan. I don't think say genuinely, I don't think say politics should even we should consider that. Knowing the person of chairman Asiedu Nketiah, I doubt say he would do anything of the sort because of power. No. I don't think that he will go that far. Let's consider what has happened as a tragedy, and that is all it is. Until investigations outcome no eba na nyina yetie with the cockpit recordings and then the flight data and all those no, we cannot give it any spiritual implication and start pointing accusing fingers. May them say grieving there for grievia, they try to look for people they can blame for their grief, but we there mesre bushamfo say let's all watch our commentaries.
Banu mo so on tonum emma MPP and trophy ta no watcha kwaku ye hwehwe mu no that time na 2008 no base tele one say class 5 and I said if you na wo free mu so under no circumstance and on be class 5 people say kwabonten ekọ MPP rally ase no be twantro ayi papa ye nipa bebre free mesremu obi kra nyame no obi ni ho ekwan a accident bi si ye obi anim ekwan Yakopon gi obi free baabi mu obi anim meka asim bi ansa ma win eda na accident ni si ye no na me ne legonfo me ne professors de academics bi nenam na ba ko ka kire me say o holo bi ka kire de say o se na koma ye ne ya eti na koma ye ne esi de si ye ne ya na ano dinti be 1 month no ntimi nkɔ adwuma na chance ni ama no push ewo this university na wo mu no se koma me director of department elo bi ka kire de say ya to na duru bi ka kire say ya to na duru enti o se afene ya na wo yare no ya wontimi nkɔ adwuma no na ha no afene na adwendwen eba if I also go hospital make kire say wo 3.5 months to live we wu kra de ya no ka kire me so what just 3.5 months to live it was a garden and just say missy cake akra me we me obey di me chose ni di mechi na koso na wonto we ade say was me ya papa me ya papa ma kom baby was wo ye so whole man na so for be friend no ni di nko ka che ne say o pese wo hu no ne bompa kakra na ne mebo ha ya wonta anyini nti no wonye yi kakra so hu wasre no won twen no wasan na ne hu to no ya na ko peso kokko adwuma ho na so foka se be wo bia won twen no ni nko asem akọ adwuma no ni di nko so for bompa ma no sa de chi a won ko hospital no san ko testing also ko ade chi ko hospital ko testing na the same hospital say ade ama ne 3.5 months to live no o si bibia ni ade no so enti wo kwa adwuma the following week no na enema gu na konya no so wuni ma de kro sai ne de na begu so dada enti edro na ya to no enya no but Yakopon stop him from going to his office for 2 months no atifie ne ho to no ma wo na okohu sad enti ade na ka ben but no catch Gordon enema to ye ntiase would no chidi say yare na a board no a stop Paul from going to the office a hona ka de benya na kuno che asa make a comma straight away me point fa wada a comma straight to first sofo Steve Wenger on to the ball
the papa no ye de no him wanti
on to the ball
sofo ya mo yesa ani man na
nobody can explain why President Mahama didn't go. Nobody can explain why. Nobody. Any power ye di pebi ntime nchire. E dey kwa na kire say President Mahama say ko ya the same flight no mo dey ko. E dey just o ya e ke besi. E dey kire.
Look, President Mahama be kwa enya ade security arrangement a minimum no. Enya ade oni nipa do sa bet na plane mu.
And say ko ya e dey kwa just the same pilot and never fly.
You see, ade so for Wingam aye no. Then he is rather painting the picture say Mahama is under the control of his wife.
Oh, you put a kind of bunny.
No, you see, governance. Let me say, Obi Ebu Amai. Now you're inviting say Omra inauguration of Cote d'Ivoire. Now you need to stop and say on sign on class already. Ghana, we are living dangerously.
No, Mahama, what you are saying.
Say Mahama. Omaya Juma. Mahama Omaya Juma as president. Now over to Kwai Akobokin Cote d'Ivoire. Now the year it means stopping and say on sign Cote d'Ivoire non kwa sorry. No to me sign kwa sorry there. Go on. Omano. Amani anti.
That's when I sorry be. No program.
Ani anti.
Moreover, I sorry woko.
Anti.
And wa sorry woko.
Anti crack.
Wa sorry woko. That no more ye day. Yeah, anti no. Also I do ye about governance. I agree with you.
Oh no, in fact,
I agree with you on that level.
No, you see, we be confirming the rumor say appointment do no abani nyina Lodina na. And people say Lodina M4 appointment so you won't get it. Baseball yes, Unyaye.